In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pending posts on Facebook group. So first of all, you should know that this case is different when you are the owner of that specific group or when you are simply a member in someone else's group. So if you are the owner of a group but still you are unable to send the post in your group, then that means that this is probably a bug or a glitch. So to fix this issue, you very simply have to open up your settings application. Now on your iPhone settings, you very simply have to scroll down and tap on general. In general, you will have to in general, you very simply have to tap on the option that says iPhone storage. Now in your iPhone storage, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the Facebook application over here. So you very simply have to tap on it. Now on your Facebook application, you have to click on the first option that says offload application. Once you click on offload app, your application will free up the storage which is used by it but will keep your documents and data intact. So you will see an option that says reinstall application. You very simply have to tap on it and your data will come back to your Facebook application, and this will surely fix any kind of glitch or bug that you're facing on your Facebook application. But keep this in mind that if you are a member of a specific Facebook group but still you are seeing the pending post notification on that group, then that means that the group owner has a restriction on that specific group, that only he or the persons or accounts approved by him can send notifications, messages, or images in that Facebook group. So, you will have to ask for permission from the owner of that group if you want to send messages, photos, videos, or anything in that Facebook group. So yes, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.